Today we will learn 15 facts about coyotes.
Coyotes are native to North America and can be found throughout the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Coyotes are usually gray or brownish in color, with black and white markings on their backs and legs.
Coyotes are highly adaptable and are found in a wide variety of habitats, including deserts, grasslands, forests, and urban areas.
Coyotes typically weigh between 15 and 40 pounds, depending on their habitat and the season.
They have a variety of vocalizations, including yips, barks, and howls. Coyotes are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals.
Coyotes have an average lifespan of 10 to 14 years in the wild.
Coyotes typically live in family groups called packs and can have up to 12 members.
Coyotes usually mate for life and produce one litter of pups each year.
Coyotes are territorial and will defend their territory from intruders.
Coyotes are nocturnal animals, meaning they are most active at night.
Coyotes use their keen sense of smell to locate food, as well as for communication.
Coyotes are wild animals and can be dangerous, but they generally avoid humans.
Coyotes are important predators in their habitats and help keep the populations of deer, rabbits, and other small animals in check.
Coyotes are an important part of the ecosystem and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature.
If you like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.